Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly the comparison between TAILSCALE and WireGuard. TAILSCALE and WireGuard are both powerful tools for setting up secure VPN connections. TAILSCALE is built on WireGuard and makes setup and management easier by automating many tasks. It uses peer-to-peer network and central server to create secure, private connections between devices. It offers a starter plan at $6 per month, a premium plan at $18 per month, and enterprise at custom pricing. While TAILSCALE Central Server may offer less control and customization than WireGuard. WireGuard is a low-level VPN protocol known for its simplicity, speed, and strong encryption. It's designed to be lightweight and efficient, making it ideal for a wide range of use cases. However, setup can be complex, requiring manual configurations of devices, keys, IPs, and routing. It gives users full control over the VPN, making it ideal for those with technical expertise or customization needs. In my opinion, TAILSCALE is easier to set up, while WireGuard offers more control. The best choice depends on your needs. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.